Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, traders. Understanding brokerage charges on any platform, especially Delta Exchange, is incredibly important for your success. These fees, you see, directly affect your overall profitability, so it's truly essential to know exactly what you're paying. Being well aware of your trading costs helps you make much better, more informed decisions. Now, let's explore how you can easily find this crucial information on Delta Exchange. Your journey to checking brokerage charges begins with a simple login. Just head over to the Delta Exchange website and securely enter your username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to locate your profile or account section. It's typically found near the top right-hand side of the page, a common spot for personal settings. After accessing your profile, specifically look for the Fees or Charges section. This might also be called Trading Fees or sometimes found under Settings or Support. Just click that link, and Delta Exchange will redirect you to a detailed page. Here, you'll find a clear breakdown of all the different charges you might encounter, providing all essential details. Once you're on the Fees page, take a moment to understand the different types of charges. You'll commonly see maker and taker fees, which depend on whether your order adds liquidity to the market or takes it away. There could also be withdrawal fees or perhaps even funding rates for perpetual futures. Read through each section carefully so you know exactly how these apply to your trades. Remember, brokerage fees can sometimes change, so it's always a good idea to review them periodically, perhaps once every few months. Staying informed about all your trading costs allows for more accurate planning and profit calculation. This simple, regular check truly empowers you to trade more confidently and efficiently on Delta Exchange, maximizing your potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.